What up guys? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to correctly perform knee raises. Now knee raises are a great lower ab exercise. It primarily works the lower abs and it's a more advanced exercise, so it's gonna be difficult, especially if you're a beginner, if it's the first time you're doing it. So it's gonna be pretty hard. Now, you have to have bars, dip bars, or maybe you can use two sturdy chairs, get in between them, and just get into a dip position. Arms straight, body straight in the air, and then you crunch up. You squeeze your core, squeeze your abs, and crunch up with your knees. See? Like this, go all the way up as far as you can. At the top of the position, hold just a slight pause to keep tension on the abs. This slight second pause to keep the tension, and go all the way down, extending your abs. See, all the way up, bam, crunch. It's not just moving your knees up and down, it's a crunch. So you're basically crunching your whole torso. See, I'm gonna show you another set. Basically guys, this is a really great exercise. It's basically one of my favorites for the abs, lower abs. So you really should do this exercise in your ab routine. So once again, dip position, arms straight, body straight. Squeeze your abs, breathe in, go up, second pause, crunch up, squeezing your core, exhale, and go down slowly, extending all the way. That's how you perform knee raises correctly. See, once again, up, crunch, hold a second, and extend all the way down. So that was it for this video guys. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and definitely subscribe. Peace out guys.